Today we'll be talking about a topic that affects all of us: breaking bad habits. Whether it's snacking on junk food, checking social media obsessively, or procrastinating on important tasks, we all have those habits that we would like to change. But did you know that simply trying to eliminate bad habits can be difficult and often lead to relapse? In this video, we'll explore how to identify healthy replacements for common bad habits and offer practical tips for making the switch. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Ursula. First, I would like us to talk about why it's important to replace bad habits with good ones. Our brains are wired to seek out rewards, and habits are essentially shortcuts to those rewards. When we engage in a bad habit, our brains get a hint of dopamine. That is a feel-good chemical that reinforces the habit. Trying to eliminate a bad habit altogether can be difficult because it cuts off that reward pathway, leading to cravings and eventually relapse. On the other hand, when we replace a bad habit with a healthy one, we are still getting a reward, but we are training our brains to seek out healthier options. This makes it easier to make the switch and to stick with the new habit over time. So, how exactly can we identify healthy replacements for our bad habit? The first step is to identify the bad habit first. Let's say, for example, that your bad habit is snacking on junk food in the afternoon when you're feeling stressed. Instead of trying to eliminate snacking altogether, you could identify a healthier replacement that satisfies the same need. For example, you could try snacking on raw veggies or taking a walk outside to clear your head instead. The key is to find a replacement that still gives you a sense of reward and satisfaction, but in a healthier way. Here are some prompts you can use to help you identify healthy replacements for your own bad habits. Remember, we all have our bad habits. So instead of checking social media obsessively, try reading a book or listening to a podcast for a mental break. Instead of staying up late, scrolling through your phone, try a relaxing bedtime routine like reading or taking a bath. Instead of skipping breakfast or eating a sugary cereal, try a protein-rich breakfast like scrambled eggs or even Greek yogurt with fruits. Instead of procrastinating on important tasks, try breaking them down into smaller, more manageable steps and rewarding yourself for each step completed. Once you've identified a healthy replacement for your bad habit, how can you make the switch? Here are some tips for making the switch. Identify your triggers. Identifying the triggers of your bad habit is an essential first step in breaking it. This requires self-awareness and an honest assessment of your behavior. Once you have identified the triggers, you can actually take steps to avoid them. For example, if you smoke when you're stressed, a lot of smokers actually do that when they are stressed. You could try practicing relaxation techniques such as deep breathing or meditation to manage stress. Alternatively, you could try replacing smoking with a healthier coping mechanism such as exercises or talking to a friend. Get support. Breaking a bad habit can be challenging, and it's important to have support. This can come from family or friends or from joining a support group. Such support can actually provide encouragement, accountability, and motivation. It can also help you stay on track when you're tempted to revert to your old habits. Sometimes we get to slip off. Use positive affirmations. Positive affirmations are positive statements that you repeat to yourself to reinforce positive beliefs and behaviors. They can be a powerful tool for breaking bad habits because they help you to shift your mindset and focus on positive outcomes. For example, if you're trying to quit smoking, you could repeat affirmations such as, I am strong and in control of my choices, or I am free from the chains of smoking. By using positive affirmations or such positive affirmations, you can actually cultivate a positive outlook and increase your chances of success. Stay accountable. Staying accountable is an important part of breaking bad habits. This involves keeping track of your progress and taking responsibility for your actions. You can actually stay accountable by tracking your behavior and progress in a journal or using a habit tracking app. It can also be helpful to share your goals and progress with a friend or support group. by staying accountable, you can increase your chances of success and create a sense of ownership over your behavior. Set goals. Set small achievable goals that will help you make progress towards your larger goal of breaking your bad habit. For example, if your bad habit is snacking on junk food, set a goal to eat one piece of fruit a day instead, or snack on raw veggies instead of junk food every afternoon. Get your successes along the way and do not be hard on yourself when things don't go perfectly. And finally, be kind to yourself and remember that the goal is progress, not perfection. Remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about progress. So, guys, let's have a quick recap of what we have covered today. Identify your triggers first. Replacing bad habits with good ones is often more effective than simply trying to eliminate them. Identify healthy replacements for your bad habits using the prompts we have provided today. Get support from people. Use positive affirmations and stay accountable. Use the tips we have shared today to make the switch to healthier habits. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small they may be. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful in your journey to break your bad habits. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the notification bell so you do not miss out on any of my videos.